Some places feel like they've been frozen in time. This historic Vermont hill farm has been welcoming families for more than 2 centuries, and today we're taking you inside. Set on 112-plus breathtaking acres, this remarkable property combines rolling pastures, peaceful forests, classic barns, and a beautifully preserved farmhouse that captures the true spirit of Vermont country living. Comfortable everyday living while maintaining its authentic farmhouse charm. Every room reflects the home's remarkable heritage, blending classic New England character with the conveniences needed for modern country living. While the home is beautiful, the land is what truly makes this property extraordinary. Spanning 112-plus acres, the farm offers approximately 20 acres of open, rolling pasture, creating the perfect setting for horses, livestock, hobby farming, gardening, or simply enjoying panoramic views across the surrounding Vermont hills. The remaining acreage is covered in mature forests that provide complete privacy, abundant wildlife, and peaceful trails waiting to be explored in every season. Whether you're hiking beneath vibrant autumn foliage, snowshoeing through quiet winter woods, or enjoying warm summer evenings overlooking the pastures, every corner of this property invites you to slow down and reconnect with nature. A classic Vermont barn stands ready for its next chapter.